how to change image opacity in Elementor. So I've just logged into my Elementor account here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over the preview of my website that I have here, and I'll click on edit with Elementor. Now this is going to open up the website editor, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add an image here, which I'll use as an example, and I'll choose an image. I'm just going to do this one, and I'll select it. Now, once we have our image added here, if we want to change the opacity in Elementor, we'll go to the Style tab, and you should be able to see the slider here for opacity. Now, if we slide it, you will see that it's slowly going to make it less and less transparent. So the further down you are here, the more transparent it will be, or the opacity will be lower. Now this will also take into consideration your background color, so make sure that you have your background color set correctly so it doesn't look weird like it does for me here. As you can see, it becomes bluish, and that is because of my background color that I have set. But that's basically how you change the opacity of an image on Elementor. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.